Hi. So given question is from right circular cylinder, which is from the chapter mensuration. So what's a right circular cylinder? तो पहले cylinder draw कर लो like this. That's the height of the cylinder, okay? And that's the base. So right circular cylinder में क्या होता है? The height is always perpendicular to the base, which is nothing but the radius. ठीक है, base में जो होता है. So the height of a right circular cylinder is increased by 60% and the radius is decreased by 20%. Find the percentage change in volume. तो उसके पहले कर लो. Let H and R be the height and radius of the right circular cylinder तो वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? Therefore volume V is equal to pi r square h. That's the original formula of volume for the right circular cylinder. ठीक है, ये वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला हम लोग का. Okay, let's give this as equation 1. Now when the height is increased by 60%, when the height of the cylinder is increased by 60%, what would be the new height? देखो height अगर जब बड़ा हो जाता है ऑटोमेटिकली उसका जो क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है, आई मीन द बेस एरिया, दैट विल बिकम लेस. क्योंकि कोई सा भी चीज को अगर तुम उसको खींचते हो ना, सो व्हेन द लेंथ और द हाइट बिकम्स मोर, द एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन बिकम्स लेस. So in this case the radius will decrease. So new height h dash is equal to height 60% बढ़ गया है. So मतलब original height plus 60% of original height. Okay, so let's find out h dash. That's the new height. H plus what is 60% of h? So can we not write 60 by 100 h, which is nothing but h plus 0.6 h. So h dash is equal to 1.6 h. Give this as equation 2. सिर्फ सेकंड स्टेप में क्या बोला है? When the radius is decreased by 20%, तो radius of course कम हो जाएगा. So when the radius is decreased by 20%, what would be the new radius? अब डिक्रीज हो गया है तो यहाँ पे प्लस था, यहाँ पे माइनस हो गया क्योंकि कम हो गया है. सो ओरिजिनल रेडियस माइनस 20% ऑफ ओरिजिनल रेडियस. So find out r dash is equal to r minus, like that calculations, 0.2 r dash is equal to r minus 0.2 r, that's nothing but 0.8 r. Give this as equation 3. I'm making such boxes so that just check those while substituting. Now up find out the new volume. Therefore new volume which is nothing but v dash is equal to pi r dash square h dash. देखो सब में डैश डैश दे दिया है. डैश मतलब होता है कि न्यू वन, द न्यू हाइट, द न्यू रेडियस, द न्यू वॉल्यूम. सो v dash is equal to pi, what's the value of r dash? It's 0.8 r, 0.8 r whole square. What's the value of h dash? 1.6 h, 1.6 h. Now just let's find out. V dash is equal to, what is 0.8 square? 0.64 into 1.6 into pi r square h. V dash is equal to, what is 0.64 into 1.6? You can just multiply or just 1.024. Okay, you can just check the multiplication afterwards. That would be 1.024 into pi r square h. So v dash is equal to 1.024 into What is pi r square H? It's nothing but the original volume which I have already put before in equation 1. So V, because pi r square H is nothing but V. So from 1, you can just write from 1. So the new volume is 1.024 times the original volume. So of course the new volume is now bigger than the original one because ये थोड़ा fraction में है, so it's bigger than the original one. So I guess the volume has increased, and so there is percentage increase. Therefore percentage increase in वॉल्यूम. तो हम लोग छोटे क्लास में किए थे कि परसेंटेज चेंज का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, लाइक परसेंटेज इंक्रीज का फॉर्मूला होता है फाइनल क्वांटिटी minus initial quantity by initial quantity into 100%. So the quantity is nothing but here volume. So final volume minus original volume by original volume into 100%. Okay. So what's the final volume? It's something by V dash. हम लोग का V dash है. ओरिजिनल क्या है? V है. ओरिजिनल V है into 100%. So what's the value of V dash? It's 1.024 V minus V by V into 100%. So 1.024 V minus V is nothing but 0.024 V by V into 100%. So V cancel. So 0.024 into 100 will give you 2.4%. So the new volume got increased by 2.4%. So that's the final answer.